Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This Islamic Reflections is actually based off of a video by Omar Suleiman. It was his creation of Adam alayhi salam video from his beginning and end series, which I would recommend if you haven't watched. So before we begin, I would like to say that please subscribe and watch till the end. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. And so, let's begin. So in the story of Adam alayhi salam, he was made from dirt, right? And we all come from Adam alayhi salam because he was the first human being. And this should remind us that no matter how big we think we are, we're all created from the dirt. We were all created from Adam alayhi salam, who was made out of dirt. And we should remember that this is important because it keeps us humble. When was the last time you looked at the dirt and you thought to yourself that this was something great, that this was something that was so valuable and should be sold for $1 million? People don't really think of that. They think what's inside the dirt, which might be gold, it might be diamonds, and they think that's beautiful. But people don't really want the dirt itself. And it reminds us to be humble. So next time you go outside, and I hope you're wearing a mask. If you do, because of Corona, then remind yourself that, hey, Adam alayhi salam was created from this dirt, and I came from Adam alayhi salam. The dirt should remind you that, hey, I should be humble, because at the end of the day, we are all going to that dirt. We're all going to be our bodies are going to be decomposed. It also reminds us that the worldly things in our lives, the stuff we gather and stuff, this all belongs to Allah. But our ruh, our soul, our nafs, that is made out of light, and that is beautiful. And the actions that we do is what's going to bring us to Jannah or Jahannam, and that the good deeds is what's going to bring us to Jannah, inshallah, and al-akhirah. It will not bring us, and our bad deeds, will bring us to Jahannam if we are not careful. And another thing I wanted to bring up was how Shaitan envied Adam alayhi salam, for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave his body his soul. And he would be like, this creation is not fit. He thought this creation wasn't fit to rule him, And, this was before Adam and Islam did anything. And it reminds us not to judge others. That no matter what it is, whether it's outside appearance, whether it's family, whether it's racism, whatever it is, don't judge a person based off of that. And we should remember that Shaitan was the one who judged others. We shouldn't judge others. At the end of the day, the only one who's fit to judge is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He is the master of the day of judgment. Maliki Yawmiddin. He is the one who will judge us all. And that judging is for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to do. And what we have to do is we have to make sure that we are fit to be judged good by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We don't have to worry about others. Yes, it's good to try to encourage others to do good deeds, but at the end of the day, their action is theirs, and your action is yours. Jazakumullah for listening to my video. Please subscribe, and inshallah you'll get good deeds.